welcome back to Buckland Junction. It is out. No, I'm not in the loft, I'm in the hobby room. What am I doing? I'm trying to do too many things at once, that's the trouble. I'm servicing a loco. I'm getting together the island station. And I'm also going to the loft to do lots of scenery work. So that's this afternoon's plan, but something else has arrived. Yes, I've done it again. I've had to treat myself to a little something. Look what I've got. I've got another box. So let me get it open and I'll be right back. Well, this gives it all away. EFE rail. J94 locomotive. I thought it was some dapple, but it's actually a Bachmann. Great British Model Railways. And it comes through Kernow Model Railway Centre in Camborne, in Cornwall, of which I know Camborne very well. I used to truck out of there for road transport. I think that's right, it was a long time ago, so let's get it open. Look at this, what a lovely box. Oh. Take two. Okay, take two. What have we got? Ooh. Some nice paperwork. Shall have a read through later. And look. Right, let's get her out. It's not an unboxing, let's get her out on the table. Okay, this is what I've got. Let me just remember what the number was because I'm terrible. J94. Yes, very, very fine detailed. The handrails are, they must be about 0.5 of a mil. They're really, really small. So I'll get it on the locomotive cradle in a minute so we can turn it on its side to have a better look. Yeah, it's pretty. I think it was, oh sorry, that's my mate. A penny under £70 and £4 P&P, so not bad. Now then, inside this little bag come loads of goodies. Two piddy little tension lock. Yeah, I must buy a big bag of larger ones because I have nothing but trouble with those pulling trucks off on corners. Some plate there. I've no idea. There's nothing in the instructions to say what that is, so if anybody can tell me. We've got vacuum pipes and probably steam pipes, and these are two of the smallest hooks I've ever seen. They're just really, really small, so I'm not sure what I'm going to fit out of all of this because you probably won't see it anyway. Maybe I'll put the vacuum pipes and the hooks on, but oh man, look at these hooks in comparison with my finger. They're just ridiculously small. Anyway, let me get the cradle out and we'll lay her on her side and have a look. Well, I have added the couplings, vacuum pipe and hook. I didn't bother with the other, whatever it was, the little steam pipe. Yeah, what a nice little model. You know what this means, don't you? A running session has obviously got to come along now. That's my J94. Yeah, I like it. That's nice. And I've noticed these are on a like a flexi, so maybe they'll work better with my big couplings that I've got up there. So why don't we go and see? That's the J94 by Bachmann, and I thought it was Dappo. I'm sure it was Dappo when I see it online, but anyway, this is what I got. Let's see how she goes. Well, welcome back to the loft, and boy is it in a mess up here. Alright, let's get this sorted. During the last run session he had Bernie's Black 5, so instead of taking a whole train off to gain a loop, we can put this one into the siding and leave her there parked up. We can use lines. What I need for that is just to pull point number 2 Right, off we go then, darling. She goes. Might do nicely. Stay there. Right, here we go then. This is meant to be a coreless, whatever that means, a coreless motor. I've got no idea how it's going to work. So we're into running now, half an hour each way. So, yeah. Oh. Oh. Nice and low gears. Right, off you go, darling. Go and do your stuff. Ah, she's nice and steady, nice and steady, nice and steady. Right, back off you go then. Half an hour this way. Well, there we go, running in session finished. Where are you? There she comes. Yeah, seems pretty smooth and easy going. Right, there's some milk tankers on the other side of the loft, so off you go and we're going to pick them up. Right, wish me luck here. Point number 9. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, so far so good. It reminds me of the Terrier, because the Terrier is also very low geared. The Terrier's burnt out after less than a year. You might have noticed that a bit of scenic work has already started here. But yeah, she's steady Eddie. I like that. Nice and steady. Very good. I'm experiencing a small problem is that every time it comes out the tunnel, not every time but most times, these front wheels are off, and I think it's because of the small D and the big D are not, there's only one hook, the other one's actually on the outside. Yeah, she's off again, look. Oh, she's popped back on, that's good. So I need a bigger D NEM pocket on the back of it and I think we'll be fine. Now will she come off this time? I'm going to get onto eBay, see if I can get some couplings. Well done girl, well done, she's through. I think it's going to be a short video this. I'm not having a run session, it's getting a bit late. And it's Saturday, so my neighbours are here. Nice and steady, that's what I like about it. And there she goes. Ah, there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like, support and all those things, or come over and join me on Patreon. So there we have it. Yet another member to my fleet, another 060. So okay, me lovely, take it away. Take care of everyone. And there she goes, nice and smooth. Okay, I think I'm safe to say it's scenery next. That's Alan out, take care, bye bye.